All right guys, got one for you. This is the Patterson Car Care wheel cleaner. I have never detailed these wheels. These are just on a stock Dodge Journey. This right here doesn't come off. I've cleaned them, it doesn't come off. So let's give it a shot. Just ignore my spray painted caliper there. So I'm seeing quite a bit of purple, but let's brush these a little bit. I've never been able to get this brown out, so I'm hoping this does it. Well, that's definitely gonna have to be a pass for me. It passes the test, man. These wheels have never looked this good. I've never seen the brown out of right here. And it's smoother too. Just for reference, this is what they looked like before. This is another wheel, but like right there around the valve stem, I've never been able to get that stuff out. And this did it. So I really have tried many products on my wheels, and none of them have ever done this. None of them have ever gotten the wheels clean enough. I've even scrubbed them when I wash the car. I scrub them and all that brown never comes out. I want to thank Patterson Car Care and thank everybody who put their time and effort into this product, because it actually works. Thank you guys for watching this Arches Mechanic video, and I'll see you in the next one.